Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is moving towards the resistance area we talked about yesterday. It's going to be interesting now because we're now approaching again the next key pivot. Remember that the communication was around, okay, possibly another reaction in the support area to start this wider wave 2, which actually looks quite good as a 1-2 setup now to the downside. But this is now the area where things will be decided probably for the coming weeks. Why? Because the price is now rallying into resistance for wave 2, and the break above resistance could indicate that it's actually morphing into the yellow count. Or actually not morphing into, I mean, the yellow scenario is on the chart, right? So I've been highlighting for the last, you could say, couple of weeks that we're just moving between micro support, which has been respected a couple of times, and resistance. And until we get a break above resistance, I mean, there are both potentials, right? White and yellow. I'm actually watching for the white count, but I mean, again, you know, if Bitcoin breaks out to the upside, it will depend a little bit on Bitcoin and probabilities for that increase, but not confirmed yet. Then probably ADA is going to follow the pathway higher. It's just important to understand the key levels on the ADA chart. And you can see that ADA reacted now a few times here to that, I mean, a couple of times to the support area, but we also had some structural support here around 33 cents before. And this is acted as micro support now. And I'm now, you know, we were watching for another move up into resistance. And what we can do to specify that further now is we can identify the ideal target for wave C. Now, again, you know, we're dealing here with a very, very small wave degree, but the first rally was a 3-wave move, so it wasn't clearly bullish. The most bullish situation that you then normally get is maybe an extended wave 2 in this, an extended 3-wave move. So looking at ideal targets for wave C then, we're looking at the area typically between the 100% extension. These are just simply levels in addition to the standard resistance area. And you can see they start at 36.8 cents and they go up to 39.3. So it's just that these are just additional levels. Doesn't make a great difference, but specifically the 100% extension level stands out. Usually it is the ideal target normally that we would name for a C wave within such a corrective pattern, such a corrective rally. And it's at 36.8 cents. Price hasn't reached it yet, but it might reach it, you know, shortly. And then there, you know, it has to be a focus on that level and the resistance area. Obviously, there's also this structural resistance level here from Monday, the 7th of October. The price might react in that area, okay? And then I will just be on alert here for possible turns to the downside into that resistance area, in that resistance area. Not guaranteed, okay? And the move down below the last lows would be confirmation that we're breaking down. But for now, we are in a short-term uptrend, and we just move from support into resistance. It's just a range. I mean, nothing's stopping the price from doing this up and down movement for a few more weeks, but there will be this will be the next interesting area to watch. So I would expect it to get to 36.8 cents, actually, maybe higher, but we have to watch these micro levels for reactions. Bigger picture, nothing has changed. A break above resistance is required to clearly indicate that the bulls are trying to drive the price higher as per wave C of 3 towards 51.2 cents next, because that's the first ideal target for yellow wave 3, right? To get to the 138% extension. Well, we're not there yet. Still a lot of room, you know. The price can grow quite a bit before getting there, and the bulls have to do a lot of work actually. But at the moment we are just in a range, and the bulls need to confirm that. Until then, actually, I think the white count is very likely. But the 39.7 cent level helps us distinguish between the yellow potential, which is more bullish, and the white count, which is short-term bearish. Down here, we would have needed a break below 32.5 cents to confirm further the white count is unfolding. So at the moment, ADA isn't committing yet. Not committing, okay? It's just moving sideways without clear commitment. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.